Hello everyone, I'm back today because I got a package in the mail. I took it out of the package just so that no one could see addresses, and I had actually done the video before and it didn't work, so I'm doing it again. Anyways, I was on Sabrina. I don't know how to pronounce your last name, Sabrina. I am so sorry. I'm going to try. Oreskovic or Skovic. I'm going to leave her name and her link to her YouTube channel below. She was having a giveaway for 6,000 subscribers, which I thought was amazing. And I left a comment, and I won one of her prizes. So it came today, and I wanted to just say to Sabrina that her 6,000 subscribers is so well deserved. She does such wonderful work. I've been watching her for a long time, and I just love her. Anyways, if anyone's watching my videos, I'd like you to go over to her channel and just say hi and maybe subscribe to her. She's wonderful. Anyways, on with this. So this was all wrapped so wonderfully in this beautiful lace, which I will use. And she has a little note here for me, which I will keep to myself. And it was wrapped in this beautiful fabric. Isn't this just gorgeous? This is what I got today in the mail. I'm going to try and scooch in a little bit. Hopefully that will help. So, she actually just cut the shapes and made this the cutest darn apron. Isn't that just darling? She did a green one and a red one, and asked which one would we choose. And for me, it didn't matter. I loved them both. The work that she put into this, it's just really, really lovely. I feel blessed to have my name come up as a winner. So I'm just going to open it and let you see inside. She's used fabric here. I got to make sure I'm in frame now. She's used fabric here, and this is the pocket. This is a paper clip with a button, and it's been stitched, and this lifts up and pulls out, and it's goodness, it's great. I love how she's done this. It's very, very unique, and I love how she's added the tickets and the buttons, and it's very recipe like, and I love it. I love it a lot. So I'll just try and put this back on here. Well, maybe I won't. I'll just put it up there for now. So then on the next page, she's got a couple of recipe cards, and I like how she's used this paper to make her pocket. And then she's added this little sugar and spice. I'm out of frame again. I hate this camera. Really. Sorry, guys. I'm going to try and do better. Okay, so then we have some old recipes. And I'm sure I've made Kringles before. Chocolate drops, I think so too. Anyways, old recipes. I love them. And just a herbal bath page here, and then she's, look at the dyeing, the coffee dyed paper. It's just beautiful. And I just love, oh, look at that. She's put a spoon in here. I don't know if you can see that. It says enjoy on it. So, just make sure I'm still in frame. And there's a recipe card here that seems a little stuck, but I'll get it unstuck. And some more recipe pages. And here, I can't remember, I took this out before in my other video, and I can't remember how she had it, because I don't remember things. It's really not good. Maybe she had it over here. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. There's a tuck spot here for something, so I'm not sure. So anyways, there's that. Then there's more pages. There's some, there's a tag here, and she's used a doily, a heart-shaped doily. It looks like it could have been either coffee dyed, I think. So that just goes back there. And she's used a vintage card from a recipe. Merry Christmas cookies. Oh my. Orange drops. Look at this beautiful pocket. I just love when she talked about this, and you could just see the shimmer. And really, this whole journal, in a video, it doesn't really. There isn't a. There really isn't a journal out there on a video that looks phenomenal. I mean, some look phenomenal, but I mean, in real life, they are, wow. That's what this is. I mean, you couldn't really see the shimmer of the red, this red here, and you probably can't either. But anyways, I talk too much. I ramble on. Sorry, guys. So I'm just going to pick this up. She's done this so well. I just, excuse me. I love how she's used pinking shears to cut the little square. It reminds you of Grandma's quilt. And another another recipe card. So I think that just, I don't think it all tucks in there. That just goes like that. That goes under here. I'm trying to remember. That goes on there. And over here, this is very clever. She wrapped it around. It's a piece of fabric, and then she stapled on the tag, and this is so cute. It says price, and it's got a button, and the cutest darn, I've never seen trim like that, or embroidery, or whatever that is. It's very nice. I just love the coffee dyed paper. It's amazing. And in here, she's got, I goofed this up too. She's got two tucks. One here and one here. And this is another envelope that she made. And it's got a card. And on the back side, it's got both sides keep score. Coca-Cola's on the bottom. Now, I'm thinking, I'm just thinking that this might have been there and that might have been there. So, I probably put it in the wrong place, but, and then there's a recipe card here, which I'm not sure it belongs there, but, and then we get to here, which I thought was really clever how she did that. She used the guest check, the bottom of the guest check underneath this, and then she's used some fabrics and best times. It's just cute. And the polka dot red and white bag is just fitting for this journal. And there's a bunch of cards that I can put recipes on. And I really like this, the Dolce Vita. I'm not saying it the way it should be said, but you know what I'm talking about. She's glued that down on there. And then on the other side as well here. And here is another tuck spot. And she's got a tag that's glued down or stapled down, however she did it. I love it. And then there's this red fabric. It's just beautiful. See the coffee dye? It's just gorgeous on here. And this is I don't want to wreck anything here. It's a Project Life card, I think, and a couple of tickets. This, another one of these, just beautiful. And more things for recipes. This is a recipe card. Beverages and beverages. And here she's got a doily that goes right over the edge. So this, I'm thinking comes off, but I'm not taking it off. Maybe I have to take this out. Oh no, I don't. So she's got a guest check and then the Bridal Path and Edwards Gardens. Very nice. It just tucks in, push that back. Here, this is very cool. This is actually paper clip, and it's like a fabric flip for these two pages. Very clever. I almost ripped the pages. Because I thought it was glued down, and I'm trying to open this page. Anyways, another one of her buttons. Really nice. Some ledger. Some more writing paper. Oh, the coffee dye is just beautiful. I keep saying that, but it really is. I love that. And she's used a, what do you call these? They're like those sleeves that you put in a 3-ring binder. And she put paper in here. This is another recipe. And beef stroganoff here. And a little tuck here. And then here is another pocket with a ticket. And guest check. There's actually, it's actually, is it an envelope that opens? No. Maybe not. No, maybe not. It looked like it was. And here's the end of the journal, and in the back she's got this fabric pocket and a beautiful card with a little bit of trim on there for a tab. It's just beautiful. What a nice thing to win. I mean, really? My mom was an awesome cook, and so was my grandma. And we have a lot of great recipes, so this will come in handy. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I really, really, really appreciate it so, so much. It's absolutely beautiful. Just lovely. And congrats again on 6,000 subscribers. Okay, I'm going to sign off now. Bye everyone. Love you all.